About to start the ride to Mackin Island.
Are you recording all of it?
Here we go. Here's Fadil. I'm sitting with him in this nice little room by the driver. I hope he doesn't screw up. Fadil said he is. Where's that Mackin Island?
Go upstairs and look around first, then come back down. Just go up the stairs
Can't
and
move.
videotape around. If you can, we can walk all over.
No, we can't.
Yeah.
Have you?
Yeah, we do. So, no.
Welcome aboard the Island Express for your transportation to Mackinac Island. In the unlikely event of an emergency, you'll find life jackets stored underneath seats on both decks,
Is he
as
saying
well as
that?
under the staircase leading to the upper deck. Instructions on use of
Who
the
the
life
hell
jackets
is
are
saying that?
posted on the rear walls of the cabin.
Okay, we're leaving.
For those with children, please don't let them move about the boat unattended. But feel free to walk about the vessel using handrails where they are provided. We thank you for choosing the Arnold Line and hope you enjoy your trip to Mackinac Island.
I didn't want to do the Arnold line. I want to do Star Line. It's way better. See that boat over there? It's Star Line. Yeah, boy. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Please don't sink the boat. See what happens. We're on the way to the island already. Let's go. Are we gonna get any faster than this? We are? Oh,
Actually, it's pretty fast. I guess it's really fast to the point that you might want to cry.
really?
Yeah.
I think it does a front, like a wheelie. Oh my god, a girl is driving it? What the hell? Girl driving the boat. I don't know what she's doing. I don't care. I hope we just get there. Look at that little mini boat over there. Let's go. There's the island. This is getting boring.